What's going on, guys? Shevon here, back with a new sneaker video. And you know, I love shoes, I love tech, I love Nike, and I copped these bad boys right here, guys. So as you can see, I got some heat. To be honest, I'm not sure if it's heat, but yo, I haven't worn it yet. To me, it's super nice, guys. This is the Air Jordan 1s Retro OG. It's in the black and gold colorway, which they call the Los Angeles All-Stars. So it's like a black and gold silhouette with this icy bottoms here. A lot of people don't like the icy bottoms, guys, but to be honest, I don't know. So yeah, this is the shoe, guys. It didn't come laced up. I have the box with me right here. This is the box it came in, the original Nike box. We all know that. I'm gonna do some on-feet review, so stay to the end of the video. I'll drop on a couple of jeans to show you guys. So as you can see, I got these in a 10.5. As you can see right there, 10.5 US. It fits true to size. Don't go up a size. It definitely fits true to size. We all know the OG boxes. Simple paper wrapping, and we have the other pair in here if you guys wanted to see both of them. So yeah. Here's the box, inside the box, on top. As I said before, fits nice on the foot. You could wear this with joggers, shorts, jeans, anything like that. You'll still look nice in these. It has these like tumbled leather. It's not the softest leather in the world, but if you wear it a lot, it will kind of get softer over time, but it's not like the softest leather in the world. The tongue, we have the Nike branding on the tongue right here, the top of the tongue. On the side, we can see that we have that nice gold Air Jordan right there, guys. I don't know. To me, I kind of like it. The laces still has that gold tip, which is super awesome. And the overall design of the shoe to me is amazing, guys. I'm not sure about the blue bottoms, though. I don't know what they should have done there. They should have probably like kept it white. I'm not 100% sure, or probably gold or black or something like that. But yeah, these are the bottoms, icy bottoms. Now let's take this out and take a look on the insoles, and then we'll do some on-feet review, because that's what I know you guys here for. Oh, I can't take it out. But if you look closely in there, it's basically a map of Los Angeles and everything. You see these laces? These are not like any normal laces. I rate these laces. These are cold. Icy. Check out that logo. Icy. Let's do an on-feet review. Yes, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed the quick review. I showed you the on-feet, I showed you the shoe, the overall design. Let me know if it's a W or a L. I think it's pretty sick, guys. I haven't worn it outside yet or anything. It's kind of windy. I mean, it's in the winter, it's snowing outside and everything, so I still like have it just in case I need to pop it out one day. So let me know what you think of these shoes. Will you be copping one? Let me know down below in the comments, or you'll be passing up on these bad boys right here. So yeah, love, peace, signing out.